Hello everyone and the people of YouTube. In this quick video, what we're going to go over is how you can scrape unlimited marketing agency data. Clutch is a directory with a lot of different business types. Like you can go to development, like software development, they make apps and stuff like that, IT services, design, business services. There's people in private equity as well, right? So there's honestly a bunch. How this directory works is you're going to list your company onto here and you're going to pay for pretty much the same thing as Google Ads, right? Where you pay for every single click that is onto your company. So every single person that clicks on your company and takes a look, right, you're going to have to pay for that, right? So you can imagine a lot of these people are very high intent. They're spending money to get more business, right? What we're going to want to do is, let's say we want to find marketing agencies, right? We're going to digital marketing. We want to take this link right here. We want to take this link and you're going to go to somewhere called Appify. Appify is honestly a very common tool. A lot of people have heard about. Like a lot of marketing agencies use this just to source these leads, just to scrape all of these leads for cheap. What we're going to search up is Clutch and then search that up. What we use is this one, the second one right here. What you're going to do is paste the links right here, right? So this is pretty much agencies and digital marketing. Starting page, we're going to do one, right? And what you want to do for this is just take it away. You want to take it away. You don't want you don't want any total number of records or anything like that. Just pretty much take that away. What you're going to do simply from now on is just start, right? And what's going to do is going to start. I'm going to pause the video for now. And then once it's done, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, guys, once that's done, what you're going to do is export the sheet into a CSV file. You're going to do all fields included just because, I mean, why not, right? You're going to download that. And what you're going to do is open up a Google Sheet. And then what you're going to want to do is import it in. Give that a second. Import data. Okay, once you have imported your sheet into a Google Sheet, what you're simply going to need is your website. But if we go back to Clutch, as you can see, it's going to be it's more than 100,000 companies. Obviously, we're not going to do 100,000 companies just for the sake of the video. This is about, I think, a little over 1,000. You're going to take all these websites right here, go down, about 16,000, 1,600. You're going to copy this, and what you're going to go to now is going to be Apollo. Okay, once you're on Apollo, this is where we're going to get their actual contact information. So through Clutch, we're able to get people's websites. So these companies' websites that you want to talk to, but we want to find actual decision makers, right? So what we're going to do is you took that list of people you copied and then put their websites right into here, and you're going to do save and search. All right, of 1,600 companies, about almost 1,000 companies that they were able to find. What you're going to do next is, obviously, if you wanted to, right? For example, if you want to apply them by location, account location, you can do United States, right? Let's say you want to do a specific employee count, because we're probably not going to talk to someone with 18,000 employees. So we're probably want to do 1 to 100. Let's just do it really quick for you guys' sake. Something like that. And then maybe industry and keywords, you want to leave this blank because, again, we've already noted that this industry is going to be in the marketing industry, right? Keywords being digital marketing, maybe SEO, PPC, whatnot, right? Any of these we want to leave blank. We don't really need any of these, but account location, you can put something like that. And then you can go to find people. And then these same filters that you just applied on find companies is still going to be here, right? Obviously, there's going to be some decision maker titles that we've already had in here. So, for example, you want to find someone with, like, let's say a decision maker within a marketing agency. That person is probably going to be a CMO, right? Maybe you want to talk to a CFO. If, let's say, you are specifically buying up these, I don't know, marketing agencies, right? Maybe you want to talk to the CFO. So whatever decision makers you want to find, put them into here, job titles, and then you want to click on verify. And what's going to do is, as you can see, it came up with 4,000 decision makers that we can potentially talk to from about 1,600 companies that we want to talk to. That means there's multiple points of contact within one organization, right? So what we're going to want to do is take this link right here, copy it, and then we want to go to somewhere like exportapollo.co. So just so you guys know, if you guys actually pay for Apollo to take down all of these lists, these email accounts, these like phone numbers and whatnot, it's going to be really, really expensive. What you want to do is to use a third-party scraper just like this. We used to use this. We don't use this anymore just because we have our own scraper anymore. But you want to click Get Started. This is not our phone number, but it's fine. It's really, it doesn't matter. But you want to delete that link that's already there, and then you want to paste that link right into here, right? This is the link that we already got from here. We want to take it, put it into here. It was about 4,000 leads, so probably want to do, if it's 4.1, we can do 5K leads. And then you can do email verification, add a tag just to identify it. Email verification, if you guys are not familiar with Million Verifier or any email verification tools, please just use this so you're not sending to a bunch of people that does not exist. As you can see, the price comes out to be only about 31 bucks, right? So this is extremely cheap process, but this is how you exactly can source these marketing agency leads or use Clutch in general to source any types of business leads.